The KwaZulu Natal floods that we've just seen, as well as day zero that we saw in Cape Town a few years ago, of the kinds of extreme weather events, and with greater frequency and an even greater severity. Change continues to take on our world.
Ngokuthi bezokuguquguquka kwesimo sezulu bathi ukuguquka kwesimo sezulu akukhethi kukhahlameza wonke umuntu umnotho kanye nemvelo.
Crisis of greater migration, about the environment and biodiversity. It's also a crisis about socio-economic fabric of society. It hugely impacts our economies. It hugely impacts the safety of families.
Kumqoka kubambisana ukunqanda umthelela wesimo sezulu esibi.
As a department, we have worked with municipalities across the country to develop climate resilience strategies. What we have to do now with urgency is to start to mainstream those climate resilience strategies into the planning documents of municipalities and into the budgets of municipalities.
Abezemvelo bafuna kuqedwe imikhiqizo yamalahle igas kanye nowoyela kuguqukelwe endleleni engani kube imvelo ukukhiqiza amandla.
That's completely unacceptable. We cannot literally afford it in terms of the economics of our country. We also can't afford it in terms of the impact of climate change. So really we must join up decision making, government's transparency, the democratic process, and our voices as citizens, as communities who consume energy.
Eningizimu neAfrika njengoba isimo sezulu siqhubeka nokuguquguquka kunesidingo esikhulu sokunqanda izinhlekelele nomthelela wazo emphakathini ikakhulukazi KwaZulu Natal, Eastern Cape kanye nase Northwest.